sparkles of the moonlight. I wish I could take that fastest flight, see the dew, sing the sunlight, yeah. Working in the office all night long, open up shutter to see the sunrise. Pouring water, sipping coffee, another working day. I'm longing to see you, my love. I can't believe I'm so far. Every day's work I feel so hard. I know that hurt my heart. My nature's telling me to follow you whole life. That is our fate, the God-given fate. I will give you all my love. We will never be apart. Going through the bitter, all sweet, thick and thin, we'll see the spark. I know you